Ready to unlock the secret to saving money and time with Allchinabuy's shipping calculator? First, head over to Allchinabuy.com. You can find the link in the description below, then browse or search for the product you're interested in purchasing for this tutorial. Let's say we are interested in the phone case shown in the screen. Once you're on the product page, scroll down until you see the shipping calculator section. It's usually located near the bottom, just below the product details. Here is where the magic happens. Begin by selecting your destination country from the drop-down menu. Make sure to choose the correct one to get accurate estimates. Let's choose USA. Next, enter your province or state. Let's pick Nevada, and your postal code. Accurate information here is crucial for precise shipping cost calculation. Now the shipping calculator will display different shipping options along with their estimated costs and delivery times. Take a look at each option and compare the price and delivery timeline. Notice how the estimated delivery time varies depending on the shipping method. Also remember that these are just estimations, and actual delivery times may vary due to customs clearance and other factors. Pro tip: compare shipping costs for different products or even different quantities of the same product to optimize your purchasing decisions. Sometimes, buying multiple items can significantly reduce the per item shipping cost. That's it. With Allchinabuy's shipping calculator, you can now confidently estimate shipping costs, understand delivery timelines, and make smarter purchasing decisions. Happy shopping!